Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I've got an important question for you. How's your deodorant working?
I highly recommend adding this to your smell good routine. This is my crystal mineral deodorant stick. I have it in unscented, and I am just completely obsessed with this because it is literally just mineral salts. That's all it is. It's in a super compact, easy to use container that works just like regular deodorant. But as you can see, there is literally nothing else added. This is just mineral salt. And so it keeps things super simple. I love to use this as a base layer, and I find that, especially in the super hot weather, that extra layer really helps me to stay odor free. So I genuinely love using this. You just run it under a little bit of water, and then you're able to go ahead and glide it onto your skin. And as you can see, it doesn't leave a film or anything behind, it just dries, and then you are good to go. Definitely check it out to smell your freshest.
But that's just my point of view.